motorized wall and
Huh.
lateral wall put it there.
Guys, I'm really lost now. See, I have come up to here, and now I am going to discuss BFV 902A. This can also get closed when required. If this is closed, what is the consequence?
The uniform should be off.
Consequence, I want to
That one actually is normally no.
No treatment.
no treatment, right?
No,
902A.
So,
permeate flow is stop.
No treatment, right? Delay treatment.
not yet.
No treatment.
No flow.
So no treatment.
Stop. Will be the case.
So complete process is stop.
Yeah.
It is normally open.
But it is MOV, no? So sometimes electrical problem can come. No treatment. Okay.
And it
So,
will stop only when we are used to purge the air.
Acha, BFV. Do you have position indication? 902A.
All motorized valve come with position indicators, limit switches.
And do you have standby for this one?
No.
No standby.
You will focus somewhere from the motorized same here.
Yeah, I put position indication. I have put position indication. But this is the only one safeguard, or I want to have another safeguard. If this is closed, that means high level will come over here. Of course, yes. So I can take LSH. I can take
Yes.
LSH 90A. So alarm we are providing, yes. Alarm I am providing.
Alarm will provide, and also if it is closed, then this gate is also closed.
Closed, yeah. That is a control loop.
Yeah.
That is what is that one? What is the safeguard?
That is SC 901A.
SC
901A.
901A interlock.
Yeah, interlock होना चाहिए.